Jai Hind students, I am Kanchan here, your English teacher. This time I have taken chapter 4 and the book is Vistas and the name of the chapter is The Enemy. So this chapter was written by Pearl S. Buck. About this chapter, this story is set at the time of the Second World War. It is a heart-rending portrayal of the conflict between man's head and heart. Means what should be done and what should be not done. First think using mind, brain, and then thinking using responsibilities and other responsibilities being a human being. So it is about that. An American sailor is washed ashore in a dying state and is found at the doorstep of a very eminent Japanese surgeon and scientist, Dr. Sadao Hoki. So Dr. Sadao is torn between his duty as a doctor and as a patriotic Japanese. His heart is telling him to save this prisoner while his mind is fighting to turn him over to the police or army, and it is a difficult choice to decide whether one should allow oneself to be governed by emotion or by reason. Sometimes we face a situation whether we should use our brain or heart. So this is here about that. Now about characters. Dr. Sadao, he is an accomplished surgeon who resolves successfully the conflict between his patriotic duty and his duty to save the life of people as a human being. And Hana, Sadao's wife, is there. She is also helping her husband despite of her physical discomfort. And Tom is an American. He is a typical American soldier, thinking that most Japanese are cruel and not human. And now the general is here, another character. He is a selfish old man, only wanting Sadao to make him recover from his illness. Now here we will start here, written by Pearl S. Buck. About this previous review here. It is the time of World War, and means the story was written keeping in the atmosphere, you can say, in the set of World War, and an American prisoner of war is washed ashore in a dying state and is found at the doorstep of a Japanese doctor. Should he save him as a doctor or hand him over to the army? So conflict was going inside the doctor. What should he do? Dr. Sadao Hoki's house was built on a spot of the Japanese coast, means sea coast, where as a little boy he had often played, and the low square stone house was set upon rocks well above a narrow beach that was outlined with bent pines. So his house was set upon rocks above a narrow beach surrounded by pine trees. As a child, Sadao used to climb those trees. He often visited the South Sea Island with his father. His father believed that the islands were stepping stones to Japan's future to gain perfection. Sadao's father was a very serious and traditional man, and he always taught him to be patriotic and to be having great values. Now, his father had taken him often to the island, and he was always saying those islands yonder, they are the stepping stones to the future for Japan. Where shall we step from them? Sadao had asked. Seriously, who knows? His father. When he asked, where shall we step? Right? Then his father said that he doesn't know and nobody knows. It depends on what we make it. Next, Sadao had taken this into his mind, as he did everything his father said, and whatever his father said, he did that, and infinite pains from him who was his only son. Sadao knew that his education was his father's chief concern. For this reason, he had been sent at 22 age to America to complete his studies of surgery and medicine. He had come back when he was 30, and before his father died, he had been Sadao become famous not only as a surgeon but as a scientist also. So because he was perfecting a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean, means he was preparing a medicine for recovery, and he had not been sent abroad with the troops. He could not go. Also, he knew that there was some slight danger that the old general might need an operation for a condition for which he was now being treated medically. So he was treated an old man, so he did not go with army, and for his possibility Sadao was being kept in Japan. So he was there in the Japan. Okay student, I will continue in my next video. Till then, watch it. Thank you and Jai Hind.